Picture this. On the blood-soaked plains of Troy, a lone warrior stands amid the chaos of bronze clashing against bronze. Lightning splits the sky as if Zeus himself watches from Mount Olympus. This isn't just any battle. This is where legends are born. In ancient Greece, heroes weren't born from comfort. They were forged in the fires of struggle, shaped by pain, and tempered through trials that would break ordinary mortals. The Greeks understood a profound truth. Greatness comes only through suffering. Consider Achilles, the greatest warrior who ever lived. His story begins not with glory, but with choice. His mother, the sea goddess Thetis, offered him two paths: a long, peaceful life in obscurity, or a short life filled with eternal glory. He chose immortal fame, knowing it meant certain death. But before Troy, Achilles endured years of brutal training. The centaur Chiron taught him to hunt, fight and heal in the wilderness of Mount Pelion. Every scar told a story. Every defeat taught a lesson. The prince who would become legend first had to become unbreakable. The Greeks called this concept pathemathos, learning through suffering. Their myths overflow with heroes who faced impossible odds. Perseus confronting Medusa with only his courage and divine gifts. Theseus entering the labyrinth to face the Minotaur. Heracles completing 12 seemingly impossible labors, each trial stripped away weakness, revealing the hero within. When Achilles finally charged across the Trojan battlefield, his war cry echoing like thunder, he wasn't the same young prince who left Greece. Pain had awakened his power. Struggle had forged his strength. The Greeks understood that true warriors aren't born, they're created through adversity. Every setback becomes a setup for a comeback. Every wound becomes wisdom. Every fall becomes fuel for the rise. As dawn breaks over ancient battlefields, we see the warrior standing victorious, bloodied but unbroken, scarred but stronger. The sun's rays illuminate not just his triumph, but a timeless truth that echoes through millennia. This is why Greek mythology endures. These aren't just ancient stories. They're blueprints for human transformation. They remind us that our struggles don't define our limits. They reveal our potential. From the ashes of defeat, heroes rise. From the depths of despair, legends emerge. The Greeks knew that every ending is a beginning. Every warrior's journey starts with a single choice: to surrender or to fight. In Greek mythology, the greatest victory isn't conquering others, it's conquering yourself. That's the real battle. That's where true heroes are born.